Hello everyone and welcome back to Chapter 8, focusing on word stress in suffixes. And for this exercise, exercise 5, we're working with the suffix IAN, which we just saw previously. In the previous page there is used with nouns and usually is used to indicate people. So for exercise 5, page 64, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the description that comes at the beginning of each of these sentences, and we're going to finish each sentence with a noun, a word that ends with IAN that is essentially fits the description of each of these, right? Someone who eats mostly vegetables is a vegetarian. And you can use the noun that comes in the middle as the root word and then change the suffix, add the suffix at the end to get the keyword that we're looking for. So number 2, someone who works in a library, take off the Y ending, add the suffix IAN, and we get our answer for number 2, librarian. Librarian. Someone who works in politics, take off the final S there, add our suffix. Someone who works in politics is a politician. Politician. Let's do a couple more together. Someone who studies history. History is a, take off the Y like how we did for library, and we get historian. Historian. Okay, one more together. Someone who fixes electrical problems is an, we have to take off the AL here and put IAN, and we get electrician. Electrician. Now, also, after you fill in all of these blanks, the next step is to circle the stressed syllable. Vegetables, vegetarian, vegetarian. Someone who works in a library is a librarian. 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 Your strong syllable, as always, is going to be right before the suffix ending. And if you're not quite sure where exactly, which letters, you'll see if you look up in Longman, your Longman online dictionary, that there's always going to be an apostrophe right before the strong syllable. So instead of library, the first syllable, it's the second syllable you can see. That's the strongest. Librarian, rare. Librarian, rare. So you can see from that apostrophe there that it's this syllable that's the strongest, and that's the one that you want to circle, right? That has the word stress. Let's do one more. Someone who works in politics is a politician. Politician. As always, the syllable that comes right before the suffix that's added is the one that's the strongest. Let's put politician, let's put politician in the dictionary. Politician. Politician. Politi. T is the strong syllable. And so we're going to circle the TI there for that particular, for that particular number there in exercise 5.